Tragic failures, stupid accidents and of course impossible survival. All this is waiting for you in this video. Sit down comfortably and let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
No one is immune from a lightning strike. And it's not as easy to hide from her as it might seem at first glance. Even a moving car is not a reliable protection. The most strange and ridiculous situation. Imagine what would have happened if no one had seen it and come to the rescue. The only thing that can be said about this elevator is that it is made in China. The giant rock was very close to crushing a car driving on the road. But fortunately, the driver was very lucky. After this incident, the girl will definitely not love the genre of action films because she experienced one of the scenes for herself. Do you think that strong winds are blowing in your locality? Then take a look at this horror shot in one of the colleges in India. The weather that day was not very good, to put it mildly. The strongest wind raged, which blew at a speed of 205 kilometers per hour. Many glass doors and windows were simply not able to withstand such an element. Hurricane wind destroyed the entrance doors of the college and also literally took out several large panoramic windows. The latter looks especially creepy. Such shots can even be inserted in films about the apocalypse. Local residents in time-lapse mode film how water is rapidly filling one of the streets in Thailand. These motorists had to face a terrible landslide that just swept away everything in its path. In 2012, sharks were finally able to break free in China. Then in Shanghai, on the first floor of a shopping center, a huge aquarium with a displacement of 33 tons suddenly burst, in which sharks, turtles and various types of fish swam. Streams of water, shards of glass 25 centimeters thick and marine life fell on unsuspecting buyers. According to one of the eyewitnesses, the sound was as if a bomb had exploded. The sight is quite creepy. Fortunately, no one died as a result of the incident. Some visitors to the mall escaped with only minor injuries, but the fish were less lucky. Many of them, including sharks, died when the glass of the aquarium burst. The routine work of a firefighter turned into a performance. The hose seems to have decided that extinguishing a fire in a trash can is a very boring activity. An incredible case occurred in the northern part of China. As a result of severe flooding, part of the busy road began to move away from under their feet. One motorist was unlucky and he was on the verge of falling. A large number of caring people staged an operation to save the car, which, by the way, was crowned with success. Another storm in the USA that demolishes everything in its path. Only one thing surprises. Why do Americans continue to build such flimsy drywall houses? After all, they have hurricanes and tornadoes frequent guests. If this guy had a bad day, then the gate just literally finished him off. When an earthquake hit the couple's backyard, their pool turned into a tsunami. This woman's priority was to save her phone. It seems that this gray car lives some kind of its own separate life and does what it pleases. In the summer of 2022, an outbreak of bad weather took place in the Chinese province of Sensu, causing at least 5 tornadoes and causing significant damage. What would you do if the morning view from the window turned out to be like this? Write to me about it in the comments. If you think that flying carpets exist, then there is a new level, flying tents. Very fast and most importantly convenient. Although this dog does not bite, it knows another way to punish anyone. Stupid moments happen to everyone, but this mechanic gets the Grand Prix in this nomination. Or there is another passage to Narnia in this garage. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then leave your like and write any comment. I will answer everyone, I promise. See you soon. Peace.